How do you like to make £50 in profit every single day at the 4 days racing at Cheltenham Festival this year? How about £100 a day? Maybe £200 a day? What about £550 a day? Well, of course, like me, you would have gone for that last option, and that's exactly what I made last year in 2020 at Cheltenham Festival. £2,200 over the 4 days of racing, meaning 550 quid a day. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain my daily routine for match betting at the Cheltenham Festival so you can do exactly the same and make massive amounts of money at Cheltenham Festival in 2021. Hey, if you're new here, and I'm guessing you are since I don't have many subscribers, my name's Chris, and on this channel I like to talk about match betting and being smarter with your money in general. The regulars know I've got a Facebook and Telegram group where I share exactly what bets I'm taking each day, and I do daily uploads on the channel to do with match betting, as well as a live stream 5 nights a week at 7 PM for 1 hour to answer all your match betting related questions. Getting into it then, after this video I did about how to prepare for the Cheltenham Festival in 2021, I had a few requests from people asking for a video about what my daily routine is and how I set up each day to get as organised as possible for all the offers that are available. I also had it requested to do a video about the best offers that are available at Cheltenham Festival 2021, but I'll do that video a week before the festival since more details will be available then. So on the very first day of the Cheltenham Festival 2021, I would be getting up at 7 AM and then jumping straight on the laptop and checking on here. So I'd be getting onto the OddsMonkey dashboard and going straight over onto the racing matcher. And that's going to just be able to bring you up. So you go to the side and click on offers. And that's just going to allow you to check out all the different offers that are available for that day. And then you can work your way through and just pick out which ones are going to be worth your time. On each day, there'll be many offers available, but what you want to focus on are the very best offers, not ones where it's like bet £10 and then get a £10 free bet if your horse finishes second by a head or less. You just want to focus on the very best offers to make the most money. Once I picked out all the best offers for the day, I would then go about setting up tabs for each one. So, for example, here I would click on this bookmaker and open the tab up. And then I would also click on the exchange and open the tab up for the exchange. So at the top here, you can see the tabs. I've got my racing matcher. Then we'll have the bookie account open, depending on whichever bookie it is. And then we would have the exchange open, again, depending which exchange you use. And what I would then do throughout the day is be pressing the refresh button. And from about 8 AM onwards, just keep pressing that refresh button and going through, so that would be a whole set of tabs set up for that offer. Then I'd set another set of tabs up for another offer, and just keep cycling through all the different tabs, pressing refresh, and basically get on whichever offer you can get for the lowest qualifying odds. That's because odds are changing all the time, so you want to be able to keep pressing refresh and checking so that as soon as the odds match come close enough, then you can pounce and get your bets on for the lowest possible qualifying losses. At the same time as well, at 7 AM, I'd also go on to so it would be tools, then onto matchers, and then at the bottom, extra place matcher. And exactly the same with the racing matcher. I would then select the event here, and I'd just be going through all the different races. So there's 7 races on each day, and I would be trying to find, so if you click on filter, you can see all the bookmakers that are paying out extra places for that race. If you don't know what the extra place offer is, I've got a few videos on the channel already explaining what they are. And as well, if I haven't uploaded it already, I'll be uploading another video which explains extra place offers really, really simply to really get across what they are and how you can make so much money doing them. But just like with the race matcher for the refund offers and setting up the tabs, I'd also then do the same with the extra place offers. So for example, here I would have this bookie open, and then I would have the 2 tabs open for the exchange. And again, I'd then be able to keep pressing refresh so that as soon as those odds got close enough, I'd be able to get my bets on for any extra place offers. And then the third thing I do right at the very start of the day is, again, over on the OddsMonkey dashboard, go on to offers and then down to the daily offer calendar. And that, of course, is going to bring you up the daily offers for that day. And because Cheltenham has so many offers available, as you can see here at the top, 104 offers available for today. We're on the 15th of February, so about a month before Cheltenham now. And the reason why you would want to check the daily offer calendar is because there'll be offers on that calendar that won't necessarily be on the racing matcher. For example, it might be an offer like 10 free spins on a casino game which has some kind of horse racing theme, since so many bookmakers are trying to jump on Cheltenham to get as many punters attracted to their website as they can. Those offers are still worth doing, because if it's just 10 free spins that they're giving and they're worth 20p each, that's obviously £2, so you're likely to get just under £2 back from that. And then if you've got a few different bookmakers that are offering that, there's, profit there that is just free and easy to take, and you might as well take that free money. Normally, I wouldn't recommend taking such small profit offers to try and avoid getting gubbed and extend the life of your account. However, with Cheltenham, because so many people are betting on the event, bookies don't really take too much notice of what everyone is doing. So once I have all that set up and I know exactly what's going on and what offers are going to be available for that day, I'll then start placing my bets. And as the early afternoon races start, so the first race is usually around the 1 o'clock, 1:30 mark, something like that. And what I would advise and what I'll be doing is not watching each individual race, because you could then potentially miss out on getting on a race that's later in the day, maybe an hour later or 2 hours later. So really avoid watching races, because that's time that you could be putting into match betting and getting on another offer. Just after the last race of the day, I would then be looking at the results, seeing if any of my horses have finished in the extra place and calculating the profits. And then, of course, taking all the losses from the qualifying bets away from my profits and just giving a figure at the end. And because as you're going through the day, as you saw in the video I did on how to prepare for Cheltenham, you will have got your notebooks ready so that when you place in these bets, you'll have everything written down. And then after that last race, you'll be able to just quickly and easily work out how much profit you've made for the day. Then finally, after I've done that, I would then be checking out which accounts I have free bets to use for the following day. So for example, those refund offers where it's get a £10 free bet if your horse finishes in, say, second. Well, I would want to go through all the accounts and see which accounts have those free bets on, so that the next day, on the second day of racing, I'm ready at around 9 a.m. to place those free bets and be able to take the profit from those. The reason why you want to get those free bets placed so early, around 9 a.m, is so that when the horse racing actually starts, or around 11 a.m. on the next day, you can then focus on getting your bets on for that day's racing. So that is literally all I do. That's my daily routine for every day. And by doing that, you really have a potential, massive potential at Cheltenham to really make hundreds, if not thousands of pounds. And my goal for last year was actually to make £4,000. So I was a bit disappointed when I made £2,200. This year, my aim will be £5,000 profit. But of course, we'll be seeing how that goes. And I will be live streaming everything that I'm doing at Cheltenham each day on the Profit Boss YouTube channel, so you can follow along with exactly what I'm doing each day. So of course, you're more than welcome to join me on that live stream. As usual, if you found this video helpful, all I ask is you press the like button below. It really helps with YouTube ranking the video in search results for people. That's going to be it for this one then. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.